Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Now I am talking about this video is the art of safe distance and exploring SBD in SBD site back distance in transportation engineering. Let me explain. First of all, welcome to Grateful Learner Civil Engineering Academy uh, YouTube channel. Our today topic is setback distance in civil engineering SBD. This is very important topic in transportation engineering and also civil engineering. On behalf of transportation engineering, I think module 1 and 2 will be discussed SBD in transportation engineering. Okay, subscribe to my channel. Now uh, today in this video, I am discussing step by step. First of all, what is setback distance? Then the purpose of setback distance. Then the factors affecting setback distance. Then designing setback distance. Then setback distance in practice. Then after all over the conclusion. Basically, this video is presentation on setback distance. Okay, presentation on setback distance. The first one is, what is setback distance? Setback distance is a term used in transportation engineering to refer to the distance between a roadway and any structure or obstacle adjacent to it. This distance is important because it helps to ensure the safety of drivers and passengers on the road, as well as pedestrians and other individuals who may be nearby. Basically, a step distance is term used in transportation engineering, and it's referred to distance between a roadway and any structure or obstacles adjacent to presence it where on the road. Okay, now the purpose of setback distance, the purpose of SBD setback distance is to provide a buffer zone between the roadway and any structures on obstacles that could pose a hazard. This buffer zone allow the better visibility and maneuverability for drivers, reducing the risk of accidents and improving overall safety of the road. Basically, setback distance SBD provide a buffer zone which have helped to the driver or not make chances to the maximum accidents and improving overall the safety on the road. This buffer zone, okay, this we have seen in this picture. This is buffer zone. Okay, now the next one is, now I'm discussing the purpose of setback distance in this video presentation of setback distance. Next topic is the purpose of setback distance. The setback distance is a critical concept in transportation engineering. We have seen here different types of road, different types of path, different types of pillars and golumbers also available here, and different types of ways we connected to, we are connected to other roads in this road. This road type called MDR, major district roads, and different types of road. So connect to city to village, and after all connected to state to other state. Okay, now the setback distance is a critical concept in transportation engineering that helps ensure safety on our roads. The purpose of setback distance is to create a buffer zone. Now I'm discussing in this previous slide buffer zone, which helps to the drivers and all the whole people to drive the cars to make chances to accident no more, maximum chances no more. Okay, now the purpose of setback distance is to create a buffer zone between vehicles and other objects such as buildings or pedestrians. This buffer zone helps to reduce the risk of conclusions and provide extra space for emergency maneuvers. In addition to improving safety, setback distance also plays a role in improving efficiency on the roads by creating more space between vehicles. Traffic flow can be proved congestion reduced. This is particularly important in urban areas, whereas space is limited and traffic can easily become gridlocked. This is the purpose of setback distance, which have to include the buffer zone, which have helps to the driver, which have helps to the one connected city to other connected city. Then traffic zone also will be increased, and traffic will chances will be uh, like enough. Okay, now the next one is factors affecting setback distance. One of the main factors affecting setback distance is the speed limit on the road. We have seen in this picture The higher the speed limit, the greater the setback distance needs to be the ensure safety. For example, a highway with a speed limit of 70 km per hour would require a much larger setback distance than a residential street with a speed limit of 25 km per hour. We have see here when we are traveling in roads, we have see here inside the road uh, for watches, and right here this is the many people types of area. Please wearing and please clearing the 25 km per hour when we are discussing and when we are applied to the more clearly. So we have the factors affecting then setback distance, which has the included, and the road safety is also available here. Now the next one is another factor to consider is the type of vehicle that will be using the road. Larger vehicles such as such as buses and trucks requires more space to maneuver, so a larger setback distance may be necessary to accommodate them. Additionally, the frequency of these larger vehicles on the road should also be taken into account when determining the setback distance, which I've seen here in the now the next paragraph we have included, and we have knowledgeable that key setback, what is determine the setback distance and what are the necessary to accommodate the setback distance. Okay, now we and now hope hope you have clear factors affecting setback distance. Now the next one is designing setback distance. How can design setback distance? We are seeing in this picture different types of roads to connect, right, like Marine Drive and all the stadiums and the like. Where setback distance is a critical component of transportation engineering design. It is the critical transportation engineering design, and it helps to ensure that safety and efficiency of our road. Safety and efficiency when designing setback distance, engineers must take engineers means civil engineers must take into account a variety of factors like including vehicle speed, road curvature, then side distance. By carefully considering these factors, like engineers can determine the appropriate setback distance for a given roadway, which can help reduce the risk of accidents and improve traffic flow. These are the designing these these steps we thinking the engineers and the designing of setback distance on the roadside. Then the one key consideration when designing setback distance, this is the type of that will be using the roadway. For examples, highway with high speed limits may require larger setback distances to accommodate faster moving vehicles, while local roads with lower speed limits may be able to a smaller setback distance. Additionally, we have conclusion in this designing setback distance, and the roadway can impact setback distance, and sharper curves may require larger setbacks to maintain adequate sightlines. Sightlines means sightlines. These are the sightlines. These are the sightlines. These are the sightlines. Overall, designing setback distance requires a thorough understanding of transportation engineering principle and a careful consideration to of the unique characteristics of each the when designed through the setback distance. Now this video is presentation on setback distance, not details. Okay. Now the next one is setback distance in practices. One example of setback distance in practice is the design of intersections. In order to ensure safe and efficient traffic flow, transportation engineering must consider the setback distance between the interaction and nearby buildings or other structures. This allows the adequate sight lines and turning ready, reducing the risk of collisions. Another examples of setback distances in the practices we have used highway or other major roadways like MDR, major district road, then when which connected to road to city, then city to road, then city connected to town, then town connected to like capital of these states, and these states connected to other states. Okay, these are the setback distance, and we have practices assuming that over here. In the design of highways and other major roadway, setback distance is used to determine the minimum distance between the roadway and nearby buildings or other structures to minimize the impact of noise and air pollution on surrounding communities. These are the setback distance, and we have a zoom in practices to setback distance. Now the next one is conclusion. All over we are discussing in this video the point by point over here on the behalf of the topic SBD, site back distance. Then conclusion. In conclusion, setback distance is a critical concept in transportation engineering that can impact both safety and efficiency on the road. We have seen here in these pictures and the cited which will be different of sites to assume and practices over here. Transportation engineering that can impact both safety and efficiency on the roads. By ensuring adequate setback distance between vehicles, we can reduce the risk of collisions and improve traffic flow. However, designing setback distance requires careful consideration of various factors such as speeds, road geometry, and vehicle types. As transportation engineers, it is our responsibility. It is our responsibility as transportation engineers, as civil engineers, responsibility to that balance these factors and designing setback distance that meets the list of all road users. Distance basically the major works of engineers are mainly costly, which are including the infrastructures which are including, and the company will be designed and to making the side distances will be available here. In order to ensure the safety and efficiency of our roads, it is important for all drivers to understand the importance of setback distance and to follow the community guidelines. It is very important on behalf of a driver, because the driver makes a good way of the path of the road, then accident will be minimum chances to attracted and fractured over here. We have seen here when accidents, then people will be inside of the over the year. By working together, we can create a safer and more efficient transportation system for everyone. These are the main topics of side by sensor in this video. And first of all, we have seen here starting this video. This video is presentation on side by distance, no details in side by distance. We have say another videos for fully details of side back distance SBD. Okay, now thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. If you are enjoying this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Like and share to which people those are preparing in civil engineering, those are preparing in gate, those are preparing in other infrastructure related of the work, which have must be you have shared because your friends is looked benefits. Then you inside is very happy. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. We are meeting with another video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video.